Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video, a brand new review. Today we're taking a look at a pair of Yeezys that didn't sell out. Now listen, I know that this model hasn't had the best of years in 2020, but I think this might be the nail in the coffin. But either way, we gotta take a look at it. So let's not waste any more time, let's get straight into it. Today we're taking a look at the Yeezy 380 Azure. On top, boost on the side. There is the size tag. Yes, this is the reflective version because, you know, this kind of sat around for a very long time. So if you wanted the reflective, you definitely could have got it. Either way, let's open it up and let's take a look at this Yeezy model. So of course, you're getting your extra laces as usual. You ready? I don't know if you are. The Yeezy 380 Azure. These are a very crazy colorway, but you know, because something we've kind of come to expect with Yeezy 380s. We've seen a lot of very different colorways. So this is the Azure colorway. I think that's how you say it, Azure, Azura, something like that. Either way, this is the one that Europe got. So yes, this is part of the first ever Yeezy 380 region exclusive pack. There's three different colorways. The Azure, which was the Europe one. They had the Hylyte out in the US. And then I think Asia got the LMNTE, LMNTE. Now all three of these came with kind of a special variant, reflective. I know that the Hylyte one glowed, so yeah, this is the reflective one. Out of all three colorways, I feel like this is the one that I prefer, even though, yeah, obviously none of them are going to be ranking very high, but yeah, this is the one I would take out of all three. And I think my least favorite has got to be the US one, the greenish one. Yeah, not a fan of that. I do want to say that the colors on this are actually really nice. Individually, they're really solid colors. However, put together, it's a bit of a mess. All three colorways dropped today on December the 12th. However, of course, the reflective and the glow variants, they all released yesterday, the day before on the 11th. Like I said, these sat, the reflective version sat. I know here in the UK, these ones were sitting around for a long time. I don't even know if they're sold out now. I haven't checked. Again, these retail for the regular £200 here in the UK and 230 out in the US. Now, of course, the reflective version goes for 20 bucks more at 220 here in the UK and 250 out in the US. I have never seen a reflective Yeezy sit on shelves, so this is definitely the first time I've seen that, and I mean, you can kind of see why. Just remember that the resale value being low on a pair of shoes doesn't mean it's a bad shoe. It just means that it's not for everyone, which I think is kind of a good thing for people who do like this color. It just makes it a little bit more special, a little bit more individual, and you're a lot more likely to be able to grab your pair, which again is always a good thing for people that like the pair of shoes. got no idea what the actual resale value is, but it definitely is under retail, and I do believe if you didn't grab a pair on release day and you may be waiting, that's a good idea. Again, you can probably get this for under retail a little bit after the release. Who knows, later down the line we may even start seeing Yeezys go on sale, because I could just imagine they probably got a couple colorways of the 380 that are sat in the back just not moving. So I guess the closest comparison to this colorway would be the blue oat. I mean, they both have this kind of blue alien scratch mark, or the stripe that's down the side, the semi-translucent stripe. You can have a little look, very similar in terms of earth tones. I do have to say that the blue stripe on the blue oat pair is definitely a lot lighter than this very deep blue that you find on this Azure pair. So yeah, they're kind of similar, but at the same time, you know, they obviously have their differences. The colors on this are actually really, really nice. You know, the base layer or the base color is kind of like this brownish maroon color, and you know what, it really reminds me of places in Africa where the mud is like this reddish brown color. I've been to places in Africa where the mud just kind of looks exactly like this. You know, considering Kanye's inspiration by the earth and nature, either way, it is kind of like this brownish red, almost deep red color. And again, you get this very deep blue color on the side in the semi-translucent scratch mark. I call it the alien scratch mark. And that deep blue color looks so cool. Again, it's just not colors that I believe go well together, or then again go well on foot. Like all 380s, it does have this kind of digi camo look, and again, this pair being the reflective version, you can see the tiny little strings of reflective knit that's woven into the upper. Laces on this come in the same looped lacing system, and of course you get your extra pair, which are indeed the same color. I thought maybe, you know, they'd throw a blue in there. You get the same kind of very light clay color of laces inside your little brown paper bag, so that's always a cool little option. And the midsole comes again in the exact same color as the upper, in that kind of maroonish brown, almost like a clay color. The outsole goes for a little bit of a more darker color. It is almost just like a smoke gray color, and again, same traction pattern, same exposed boost. And again, like all 380s, I'm a huge fan of it. I think it's extremely comfortable. I really like it. You know, it's just, the colorways have been a bit of a miss this year. However, when they do bring out the right colorway, like the Yeezy 380 calcites, like I have said repeatedly, it is a beautiful shoe that is very comfortable, and I really like it. But let me know what you guys think about this colorway. But either way, that pretty much wraps it up for the Yeezy 380 Azure in the reflective variant. Thank you guys so much for coming through, liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. Be sure to subscribe to the channel down below. It really does help me out. And of course, I will catch you all in the next one. But until then,